Hello, welcome to week 11. I thank you for all that you've been doing to get through our first full week of online coursework. And thank you for those of you who are able to attend our virtual class on Thursday. And once again, you can always rewatch these videos. So if you haven't yet watched the video from last week, be sure that you do. Make sure that you keep track of the course schedule that I posted. All of that information is in the video from last week, but that will help you stay up with what's due each week. So this week, being that it is Easter week, we do officially have an Easter break on Thursday and Friday. So the only thing that I have included for this week is for you to complete your third training, which is the substance abuse training. So when you go to week 11, that's what's here is these training instructions. So I do believe that the hyperlink is not working, so please don't click on that. Instead, just highlight and copy or just type this into your browser. I'm not the one who created this document, so I can't go in and make the changes to it. But just type in that information into your browser and complete the training for substance abuse. If for some reason you haven't done the other two trainings, you can spend time this week working on those. And then just upload your certificate into the link that's here in this week 11 folder. So I think a PDF or a PNG seemed to work fine. I know some people had difficulty a couple of weeks ago getting that uploaded. Once again, if you have trouble, the first thing you should do is try a different browser, try a different format, maybe wait a few hours and shut everything down and try it again. But before you send me an email, please post in the class discussion board and I can respond there. And that way try to give some troubleshooting options or ask classmates for help. So that helps save me time and to get to you much quicker. Then I don't have a lot of emails to have to get through before I can get to yours. So make sure if you didn't last week that you complete your Keirsey sorter, which is activity 4 on personality. I sent an email on that if you didn't get it turned in, so be sure that you get that completed as a late grade if you haven't had a chance to submit it. And then please just post in our class discussion board. I hope that everyone has a good weekend, a good rest of the week, hopefully to catch up on some other things, and a good break possibly to spend some time with family, maybe even virtually if you are able to. So let me know if you have questions by posting them in the class discussion board. Thanks.